Imagine your YouTube channel exploding with views, videos dropping like clockwork, and your audience skyrocketing, all while you kick back with a coffee free from the grind of endless tasks. In 2025, automation is the ultimate game changer for creators, turning chaotic hustle into a slick, unstoppable machine. Whether you're a newbie dreaming of your first 1,000 subscribers or a pro ready to dominate, this ultimate guide unveils the cutting-edge tools and secrets to slash your workload and supercharge your growth. Buckle up for a thrilling ride into the future of YouTube. Your channel's transformation starts now. Why automate your YouTube channel? With over 500 hours of content uploaded to YouTube every minute, standing out in 2025 is no easy feat. Automation is your key to staying competitive while reclaiming your time. By automating repetitive tasks like scheduling, optimization, and engagement, you can focus on creating stellar content that resonates with your audience. Automation ensures consistent uploads, maximizes your video's discoverability with SEO, and scales your channel effortlessly. Thanks to AI-powered tools and integrations, anyone can harness automation to build a thriving YouTube presence. Let's break down the steps to automate every part of your channel. Step 1. Automate video content creation. Creating compelling videos is the core of your YouTube channel, but it doesn't have to eat up all your time. AI video generators like Synthesia, Runway, and Pictory make content creation a breeze by turning text prompts or scripts into professional videos complete with visuals, voiceovers, and transitions. Simply input a script, choose a template, and customize avatars or graphics to match your brand. For editing tools like Descript, automate the process by cutting filler words and adding captions instantly. You can also repurpose existing content using Veed.io or Capwing, which transform long-form videos into YouTube Shorts or teasers. Set up these tools to auto-process files from cloud storage like Google Drive for a seamless workflow. To maximize efficiency, batch record multiple videos in one session using Riverside.fm for high-quality recordings with auto-transcription, and integrate Otter.ai to generate transcripts for captions or blogs. This automation trifecta ensures you produce more content in less time. Step 2. Automate video optimization. Optimizing your videos for searchability is critical, and automation makes it effortless. Tools like TubeBuddy and vidEQ analyze trending keywords to suggest SEO-friendly titles, tags, and descriptions, which you can auto-generate using preset templates. For even faster results, AI writing tools like Jasper or Copy.ai craft click-worthy titles and descriptions in seconds, ensuring your videos grab attention. Thumbnails are another key factor, and platforms like Canva and Crello offer AI-powered design automation with reusable templates sized perfectly for YouTube, 1280 by 720 pixels. Connect these tools to Zapier to auto-export thumbnails to your upload queue. For captions, YouTube Studio's auto-generated subtitles are a start, but for higher accuracy use Rev or Happy Scribe, which can auto-add captions to your videos before publishing. By automating these optimization tasks, you ensure your videos are primed for maximum reach without manual effort. Loving these YouTube automation tips? Hit thumbs up, share with creators, and stick around. More epic hacks are coming. Step 3. Automate video scheduling and publishing. Consistency keeps your audience hooked, and automation ensures your videos go live like clockwork. YouTube Studio's built-in scheduler lets you plan uploads with pre-filled metadata, while tools like Buffer or Hootsuite manage uploads across multiple channels and auto-post announcements to social media platforms. For a fully automated pipeline, use Zapier to connect your video editing software to YouTube Studio, scheduling uploads as soon as editing is complete. To amplify your reach, automate cross-platform promotion with IFTTT, which shares new videos to X, Instagram, or TikTok, or use later to schedule teaser clips for Instagram Reels and TikTok in sync with your YouTube uploads. These tools create a hands-off publishing system, so you never miss a posting deadline and your content reaches audiences everywhere. Step 4. Automate audience engagement. Engaging with your audience builds loyalty, but responding to every comment or post manually is a time sink. Automation can handle these interactions efficiently. YouTube Studio's comment filters auto-approve or block comments based on keywords, while tools like Comment Guard or Tube Filter use AI to flag spam and reply to common questions with preset responses. To keep your community active between uploads, use Crowdfire to schedule community posts or polls and integrate ManyChat to automate personalized responses to poll results via YouTube's messaging system. For tracking engagement, Social Blade and vidIQ deliver automated performance reports, and you can set up Zapier to send weekly email digests summarizing views, watch time, and subscriber growth. Step 5. Automate monetization and growth. Turning your channel into a revenue stream is easier with automation. Tools like Linktree or Kit.co auto-embed affiliate links in video descriptions, while Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee integrations promote membership tiers in your video outros. For merchandise, platforms like Printful or Teespring sync with YouTube's merch shelf to display products under your videos, and you can use MailChimp to automate email campaigns announcing new merch drops. To optimize ad revenue, YouTube Studio's auto mid-roll ad placement maximizes earnings, and third-party tools like AdEspresso automate ad campaigns to promote your videos to targeted audiences. By automating these monetization strategies, you create multiple income streams and grow your channel's profitability with minimal effort. Step 6. Advanced automation with AI and integrations. For next-level automation, leverage AI and custom integrations. Tools like Nox Influencer and Hype Auditor predict video performance using audience data and trends, sending alerts to tweak your strategy when metrics dip. Platforms like Zapier and Make formerly Integromat connect your YouTube workflow with over 5,000 apps, enabling custom automations like auto-creating blog posts from new videos, sharing them on X, and emailing subscribers all in one flow. For audience interaction, integrate Grok 3 voice mode available on iOS or Dialogflow to create a chatbot that answers FAQs in your video comments. These advanced tools take automation beyond the basics, giving you a competitive edge in 2025's crowded YouTube landscape. Love these YouTube automation tips? Like, share, and stay tuned for more epic hacks.